Are you staring at your bank account, wondering if you need a specific balance to tap into the convenience of Beforepay? It's a common question, especially when you're navigating the world of early wage access. Let's cut to the chase and demystify how Beforepay works, and more specifically, what it expects from your bank account. Many people assume that to get an advance, you must have some minimum amount of money already sitting in your bank. Perhaps you're thinking of it like a loan where collateral or a certain level of financial stability is required up front. But Beforepay operates on a different principle altogether. It's not about what's currently in your account, it's about what's coming into your account. Beforepay is designed to give you access to a portion of your earned wages before your official payday. Think of it as an advance on money you've already worked for, but haven't yet received. This crucial distinction means their primary concern isn't your current balance, but rather your regular income and employment. When you sign up for Beforepay, they connect to your bank account to analyze your transaction history. This isn't to see how much money you have right now, but to identify your regular income patterns, specifically your salary or wage deposits. They want to confirm that you have a consistent income stream and that your paychecks are reliably deposited into the linked account. So, to directly answer the question, no, you generally do not need a specific minimum amount of money in your account to use Beforepay. Their assessment is based on your income history and the predictability of your future paychecks, not on your current savings or checking balance. What they do look for is a pattern of regular income deposits. This allows them to confidently offer you an advance, knowing that the money will be repaid automatically from your upcoming salary. Consider this: if your bank account often dips very low just before payday, that's precisely when Beforepay can be most helpful. It's designed for those times when unexpected expenses arise, or when you just need a little bridge to cover costs until your next paycheck lands. If they required a minimum balance, it would defeat the very purpose of providing early access to wages for those who need it most. However, it's important to understand that while a minimum balance isn't a prerequisite, the overall health of your bank account does play a role in their assessment. This isn't about the amount but the activity. For example, if your account shows frequent overdrafts or a history of returned payments, it might impact their confidence in your ability to repay. They want to see a stable banking history that supports your income claims. They're looking for evidence of financial responsibility, not wealth. Ultimately, Beforepay's service is built on the premise of your reliable income. They're leveraging the certainty of your upcoming pay to offer you a portion of it now. So, don't worry about having to pad your account before you apply. Focus instead on ensuring your banking history accurately reflects your consistent employment and regular pay deposits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.